रोटरी क्लब ऑफ न्यू बॉम्बे सीसाइडच्या वतीने कला सर्जना आर्ट्स एक्झिबिशनचे आयोजन वाशी या ठिकाणी करण्यात आले होते. नवी मुंबईतील आर्टिस्ट आणि आर्ट प्रेमींसाठी ठेवण्यात आले होते. हे कला सर्जनाचे दुसरे वर्ष असून 100च्या वरती पेंटिंग या ठिकाणी दर्शवण्यात आल्या. तसेच गेल्या वर्षीपेक्षा मोठा प्रतिसाद देखील या एक्झिबिशनला मिळाला. या आर्टिस्टच्या कलागुणांना वाव मिळावा म्हणून या ठिकाणी या एक्झिबिशनचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते.
Kala Sarjana is an art exhibition which cater to the need of the art lovers and artists of Navi Mumbai and in and around Navi Mumbai. As there was no exhibition center in and around Navi Mumbai, we thought the artists had to travel to various places for this year. Therefore, we thought to cater to the need of the art lovers of Navi Mumbai area, we should have some exhibition, and this Kala Sarjana started with that only. This is the second edition of Kala Sarjana. We started it in 2022 with the paintings of and painting and sculpture of more than 30 artists, and more than 100 paintings were displayed. This year it's just doubled. More than 50 artists from across India have participated, and more than 200 paintings and sculptures are there. In this project, we have our sponsors, Paradise Group and Kalastrot, and our co-host is Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai Paradise.
Sarjana is a project which was designed and conceived by Rotary Club of New Bombay Seaside. Bala was our lead person for this project. Now this year, this is second edition. The first edition was in Nerul Gymkhana. Second edition is in a bigger way. It is at Bal Bharati Vidya Bhavan. I think this is growing at a very good rate. In comparison to last year, this year the number of artists who has participated are much more, and the arts which are being presented over here are much better. Last year I purchased 3 arts, and this year also I have planned to buy few more. I request through this media that all the people who can hear this or can listen it can come and see it. This is one of the great opportunity where like you can see a good art, and if you likes it you can buy it. Thank you.